Hi, it's July 4th. Am I on here? Yes, it's July 4th. No, July 1st, 2011. And I'm going to type a little letter here on this little thing right here. Let's see. If we can. Couple book. Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah, that is it. Okay, we're at. Is it? How do you say the name of your place?
Ima's.
Ima's. Antique Cottage here on Highway 90 in Castleton. Uh-oh, that's not fine. Okay. Dear. Yeah, talk a little to my wife. Okay. Dear Josie, I love you. Where's that exclamation point at on this? They didn't have exclamation points back in the old days. Yeah. Go ahead. Number 8, right? Close. Spell that right? Sure did. Now, the way to test the keys of any keyboard is the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, or was it something like that? We'll try it. Okay. Rubber banding opening. There it is, your lost rubber band.
Excuse me? Oh, sure. Sit anywhere.
Okay. Well, we had trouble with the Z, and that's probably the big brown fox jumped over the lazy red. No, it's the dog. Which is it? I think the fox jumped over the dog. I think it's one. Yeah. Okay. This typewriter is in good condition.
It's a bargain.
And it's a bargain. Yes, it is. Okay. That's about it. I really appreciate. Are you the lady?
I'm Ima's daughter.
You're Ima's daughter. Okay.
And this is from my grandson who was shooting him yesterday.
Okay.
And he lost his favorite rubber band.
He lost all his. That's why you had such a. Oh, there it is. Look on your face. Okay. Oh, well, the next step is to see if it will type way down here. So here, we'll do the space bar. The LC Smith & Corona typewriters. My mother had something like this a long time ago, and I spent many hours on it. I don't think it was as old as this, and it didn't have the extreme carriage that this one has. Okay. Let's pause. Where's pause? I don't have a pause on this thing. Okay, try it again. shift lock. Quick bad box, that goes a lazy old dog. Okay, and then what other? Okay. Exclamation, pound, cash, percent, underscore, epsilon, exclamation, parenthesis left, parenthesis right, and asterisk all work. What is this? Oh my God. Let me show you that one, folks. Okay. One space. Try one space again. 10 space. Oh, it's just a release. Let's see, maybe. Okay, it's jammed. Probably just needs a little work there. Okay, shift key releases shift lock. Backspace key spring is a little bad, but it works. Whatever this is, that needs just a little bit of work. Okay, now these outer things. Comma, period, slash, semicolon, funny little thing, 1/2, and this should be dash. Shift lock, we should get 1/4. 3/4 at question mark. Did I miss anything? I don't want to mess with margin release. And if there's a margin release, I don't see where to set it. It might have something to do with those numbers. Shift lock. Let's hit margin release. Well. Then once again I want to try lower comma, lower period, semicolon, funny mark, 1/2, little dash, and that rings the bell. And of course, no telling if all this stuff works or what it does. Oh, that's the margin. So if you press margin release, that's how you set the margin. No. So let's try setting a margin. Here's margin set. I just set the margin. Now let's see if that works. try again. Oh, wait a minute. No, I still don't get it. Okay. Only when something that works, that just means something needs to be adjusted. But this is how you get rid of all those little tabs. That will loosen your paper probably. Yes. That'll tighten your paper. Yes. And this can be set to multiples. It releases your bar. Yeah, there you go. That's the carriage release. Do you have carriage release over here? Yes. Does this do anything? No, it's just something to handle the carriage with. What does it look like there? What does it look like there? I tell you what. L.C. Smith. I don't know how anyone could live without this. Alright, that's